You cannot get what you want if you do not know what you want. And most of us don't. That might sound harsh, but think about it. When somebody asks, what do you want? What do you say? I want to be happy, I want to be fulfilled, I want to have more freedom. But what does that actually mean for you? What does your ideal morning look like? What kind of work do you want to do? How do you want to feel in your body? What kind of relationships do you want? And especially for us women, that's hard because we spent a lot of time focusing on what other people need. We've learned to be the good girl, the people pleaser. That's where we've lost touch to our own desires. So think of it. In which way did you lose touch to your own desires because you thought they wasn't important enough? If you go through these reflection questions and get super specific, because that's where most of us go wrong, we stay too vague, and vague goals lead to vague results. So getting what you want starts with getting specific, uncomfortably specific. What do you actually want your life to look like? Not what sounds acceptable or what makes sense to others. What do you want? And clarity is the first step, because you can't build a life that you have not defined yet. And this is the work that we'll do together here in this first week. Classroom Embodiment Program, and here, self-reflection, becoming her, and gaining awareness. Feel free to join. The link is in the pinned comment below.